guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. We are going to have a simple eyebrow tutorial, and yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, so let's start off this video with a few tools and products that you need. So we're going to use the Davis eye pencil. This is a small brown one. Next, we're going to need some sort of brush. This is an eyebrow brush or an eyelash brush. Yeah, you can use a toothbrush or a disposable mascara one. The choice is yours. Yeah, so again, we can either use this big Davis pencil or there's a smaller one that's number 003. Then for extra product, I just like to go over my brows with the Obsession Makeup Brow Duo. This is totally optional, but I just like to use it to set the product that I used on my eyebrows. Yeah. So using my disposable mascara wand, I'm just going to comb through my brows just to comb them so that it's easy to apply the product. And please ignore the background as it's laundry day, so I was trying to get my room organized. And yeah, so just comb through. You can use a toothbrush like I said, and I like to use this technique where I start from the corner of my eye, and that would be the starting point of my brows. It doesn't necessarily have to be there, but I feel like that's the best way to do it. And use your pencil to mark that point. The second part is going to be the arch of my brow. I don't like a high arch, just a reasonable one, and I will mark that part. The arch is the middle of my eye from the end of my nose, and then the tip of my eyebrow, I will go to the outer corner of my eyelid, of my eye, sorry. Then using light strokes, I will just mark the outline of my brow just to get that shape that I feel is good. Yeah, and you can do the same thing. Start from the inner corner of your eye, that will be your starting point. Then from the middle of your eye, that's the arch, and then the tip of your eyebrow, that will be the outer corner of your eye. This is the technique that I am trying to demonstrate. I'm trying to use the outer tip of my nose just to guide my pencil and to where I want my eyebrow to start, as you can see with line A, line C and line B. Although I don't think that order doesn't really matter, but in my tutorial I just want to show you how I use this same method to get my eyebrows done and in my most comfortable eyebrow shape. So just to demonstrate better, I'm going to start from the outer corner and just mark that point, the outer corner of my nose but the inner corner of my eyelid. Then next, I'm going to mark the arch of my brow. I'm going to start from the outer corner of my nose to the middle part of my eye. The best way to do this is if you're looking ahead at the mirror so that you can get it well, but since I've been doing it for a while, I'm sorry I did not show that part where I had to look directly into the mirror. And then for the tip of my eyebrow, I will use the outer corner of my eye just to mark that spot. And with light strokes, just gently join all those points together. And as for the upper part of the eyebrow, you can just gauge and just use the shape that your eyebrow already has. And when you're tweezing your eyebrow, I suggest that you do not tamper with the top part of your brow unless you have a few stray hairs that you want to remove. So basically the top part of your brows gives the shape for the upper part. When you are getting your eyebrows done, tweezed, or using a razor blade just to shape them, tried not to tamper again with the top part because that gives it the shape, unless you're just removing stray hairs. Now I had already tweezed my brows, and my eyebrows are actually very thick, but at some point I decided to make them look smaller, and that didn't work out for me. I was just comfortable with my semi-thick eyebrows. So yeah, use light strokes as you're just filling in your brows, just filling in lightly. Do not press the pencil. Think of it as toning in art. So I just want to spread the product evenly. I'm going in with a small angled brush just to add some more, eye pencil to it. I'm using the Davis eye pencil and just mimicking hairs. Yeah, just mimic hairs. Do not draw that box in the middle. It just look natural. So try to, as much as possible, to mimic hairs, and do this gently, and take your time and practice as you do this. After a while you'll get the hang of it. So next I'm going to use the Obsession Brow Duo, and I'm going to use that grayish shade just over my eyebrows to set that product and to make them darker. So this next step is optional. I'm going to use a concealer, and this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso, just to neaten my brows and to make the shape, more visible. This is entirely an option. You can decide to do it, you can decide not to do it. I don't do it all the time, especially if I'm just doing my brows and I don't know, now walking around the house. Yeah, but this is optional, and use a concealer that's close to your skin tone if you don't want to have trouble blending it out. So this step also allows you to shape your eyebrows even better. I mean, shaping them in the way that they look like identical twins. Now I'm going to just say this, I failed to make my eyebrows look like identical twins because I don't know. I failed because I failed, period. But take your time and learn how to do it. I have tried my best, and this is the closest to identical twins that I can get. Maybe they are twins, period, just twins. Yeah, so take your time and learn. It's a simple process. And yeah, that's it. That is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys were able to learn something. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, it's free. Yeah, and yeah, let me know what you think about this video. Comment down below, and in case you have any questions, I'm here for you. Yeah, so thank you again, and bye.